Supply list. Christmas cards live workshop. 1. Your Christmas practice sheets pack. Download them and print them on regular printer paper. We'll use them before painting on watercolor paper to warm up, explore ideas, and plan our card compositions. 2. Download the holiday phrases page and print them on regular printer paper. 3. Watercolor paper. Any of these options work. Choose what fits your style and what you already have. Foldable watercolor paper to make your own cards. Pre-made watercolor card plus envelope sets. Watercolor postcards, super fun and easy, or cut your own watercolor sheets and fold them. There is a tip. If you want your cards to feel more premium, use 100% cotton, but any watercolor paper works beautifully. 4. Watercolors. Use any set you already have. Tubes, pens, student grade, professional, everything works. Just bring the colors you love. 5. Brushes. The same favorite you've been using in the challenge. Round brushes, they can be 2, 4, 6. They are great. Liner brush, number 2 or similar. Filbert, extra brush specifically for gold, so you don't get shimmer on your regular brushes. Water plus towels. 2 cups of clean water, and if you're using gold or shimmery colors, have an extra one. Towels or paper towels. 7. Palette. Any kind, plastic or ceramic work. Number 8. Gold options. Choose one or more. Gold adds magic, but you don't need anything fancy. Gold marker, easy and accessible. Shimmer watercolor pens. 9. Tools for decorating plus card making. Bring any or all you have of this. So go look around your house. If you have some of these things, we're gonna use them. Scissors, craft knife, cutting mat, corner punch, hole punch, ruler, pencil, soft eraser, tape, double-sided foam tape, glue, string, lace ribbon, any ribbon you already have at home. Bring anything crafty you already have. The workshop is all about creativity and personalization. And number 10, your comfort items too. They are important. Hug your soul. Bring your favorite tea, coffee, juice, or hot chocolate, cookies or a little snack, a cozy candle if you want to set the mood, a blanket if it's cold where you are. Because creating should feel like a hug. Can't wait to see you there.